Prepare yourself to witness a chilling spectacle that seems plucked from the realm of horror films. However, what you are about to see is not fiction, but the harsh reality of monstrous flash floods that strike fear into the hearts of humanity. Brace yourself as we embark on a visual journey that will expose the horrifying power of nature, unfolding before your very eyes.
St. Richard.
Oh my god.
Look at the debris.
Aaron.
No horseplay with.
In the blink of an eye, on May 22, 2021, an idyllic island nestled within the Hawaiian archipelago was thrust into chaos. Battling relentless storms for days, it succumbed to an onslaught of torrential downpours. The result? The once serene Venus ponds, now transformed into a raging torrent that mercilessly ravaged the lush greenery.
Aaron, behind me.
Fell with Lisa and Rhonda and went, guys!
Get out!
Leaving a scene of devastation in its wake. Oh, the beauty that once resided there, now lost, like a serpent's lament. Across the arid landscapes of Arizona, a most unexpected spectacle unfolded. A peculiar concoction of blood and water cascaded down a dry riverbed, defying the laws of nature. In an unprecedented turn of events, a severe blockage formed, creating a dam on a bridge. Behold, the fusion of the elements, as a vehicular lifeline was choked by the impetuous surge of water. A daring battle ensued, a symphony of car horns echoing in the air. Journeying through the annals of time, we arrive at the year 2021, a small road veiled by the expanse of Texas. Suddenly, a tempestuous flash flood surged forth, the area hastily cordoned off to safeguard lives. Yet, amidst the chaos, a school bus driver found themselves at the mercy of the merciless currents. Thankfully, fate smiled upon them, sparing their life, but etching a vivid memory of this treacherous encounter. Venturing further, our path leads us to the intrepid spirit of a traveler in Kadapa. Determined to cross a flooded bridge en route to Bijapur, they embarked on this perilous journey under the sheltering wings of Toyota. Alas, fate's whims took a different turn as their faithful vehicle succumbed to the relentless might of the raging floodwaters. Miraculously, no lives were lost, but the haunting reminder of vulnerability lingered in the air. A football field, once a haven for joyous play, found itself at the mercy of unrelenting rainfall. Submerged beneath a deluge of water, the depths of the field concealed from prying eyes. The relentless floodwaters surged forth, breaching the very foundations of an underground level. Soon, the school itself became an unwitting victim, sinking into the depths as corridors were transformed into watery corridors of despair. For those who call this land their home, the haunting specter of devastating floods looms large. Year after year, they are subjected to the whims of treacherous mountain streams, capable of unleashing sudden flash floods that relentlessly test the strength of dams.
Tabang. Bet, guniti sa good bet.
Such recurring trials render their lives perilous, teetering on the precipice of danger. The serenity of Yellowstone National Park was shattered by a cataclysmic flood. Row upon row of majestic trees, once standing tall and proud, succumbed to the relentless currents, vanishing without a trace. A section of the road, once a passageway for the weary traveler, was engulfed, devoured by the insatiable hunger of the raging waters. Desolation reigned in its wake. On that fateful day, June 25, 2022, a market in the western reaches of Sumatra, Indonesia, became a theater of devastation. The series of flash floods unleashed an unbridled fury, uprooting trees, demolishing houses, and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Bridges groaned under the weight, trade ground to a halt, and congestion reigned. In Mexico, a small community faced the wrath of a pitch-black deluge, inundating every crevice with mud.
There's another one. That is unbelievable.
See if he can take his let the air out.
Oh, look at that, look at that.
That's the silver one. No, it's not. It's another one.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. Here goes the silver one.
Cars, homes, and lives were left in disarray. Catastrophe struck, and the world witnessed nature's wrath unfold.